You are on the roof of the physics building, 46 meters above the ground. You see a cart, 4 meters of negligible height, moving towards the building. The cart is moving at a constant speed. Upon seeing the cart, you drop the egg and it landed on the cart. What is the speed of the cart? Assume the egg is in free fall. So since the egg is in free fall, the equation of motion for the egg is given by these three equations. G is the acceleration due to gravity. V1 is the initial velocity of the egg, which is the way you drop the egg. And V2 is the velocity of the egg at any point along its path. Now, in this particular example, V2 will be the velocity of the egg when it reaches the cart. Now, since the cart is moving at constant speed or velocity, the equation of the cart is simply given by this equation, delta x is equal to Vt. So the cart is 4 meters from the building when you see it, and at that instant you drop the egg. So when the egg has moved 46 meters below the point where you drop it, simultaneously the cart should reach the building to catch the egg. Hence, at that instant, it moved horizontally 4 meters. The egg and the cart should be the same point at the same time. So to get the velocity of the cart, delta x is equal to Vt, so V is equal to delta x over time. We know delta x, the distance moved by the cart horizontally is 4 meters. So to solve for V, we need to get the time that the cart need to reach this point to catch the egg. So we know that at the instant that the cart reaches the building, the egg should be at this point so that the cart will catch the egg. So the time of fall of the egg is the same time as when the cart reaches this point, the point where the egg and the cart should meet. So we use this first equation because we know delta y, we know the initial velocity. So if we use this equation, the only unknown that we're going to have is time. So substituting the given information, delta y is negative 46 meters because it is below the reference level, which is the point of release. So velocity 1 is 0 because you just dropped the ball. So v1 is 0. And then we have 1/2 negative 9.8 p squared. So we can solve for the time that the egg reaches this point, and that is 3.06 seconds. Hence, at 3.06 seconds, the cart should also be here or should have moved a distance of 4 meters. Solving for the velocity of the cart, the constant velocity of the cart is 1.31 meter per second.